Hi. So I hope everyone is staying at home and everyone's following all the norms and guidelines as given by the government, and the quarantine is going good. We are soon going to enter lockdown 3.0 from tomorrow, and I think it's been quite a long journey so far. So as you guys are all aware, we had done this interesting project called Project Sanitize, wherein we'd worked on giving sanitization through sanitizer bottles to the poor and needy, and also to the front end workers, the COVID workers during this entire corona outburst during this pandemic. So, since corporate is all about wellness, we've always been on the forefront when it comes to taking care of wellness, taking care of good sleep, and our mantra being best sleep ever. So, taking this entire philosophy forward, we thought that since we're moving for another lockdown, why not keep ourselves engaged? I think it's very difficult for all of us to find different ways to keep ourselves busy. So, what we're going to do is we're going to be talking to a lot of our sleep ambassadors, our ambassadors of sleep, who from their homes are doing some interesting things, trying to keep themselves busy and maybe get some DIY hacks for our own selves, and just to keep ourselves entertained. So in this entire series, we'll be talking to different experts. We'll be talking to influencers from different fields. And To take this forward today, I have someone who is really taking fitness to another level. So I'm talking about the wonderful actress and blogger Palak Porswani. So Palak, as you're all aware of, her recent outing was in this amazing, interesting series on Moot Originals called The Riker Case, and you've also seen her on various reality shows on television, Splitsvilla, Nach Baliye, and many other shows also, entertainment shows on the Indian television. So let's see if Palak is here. So once she's here, we're gonna connect with her and we're gonna go live. You can all ask questions. You can find out from her in case if you want to know anything about her fitness, you want to know any beauty tips, you want to know how is her routine like. I think we're all gonna be talking about different aspects of her daily routine when we connect with her.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Hi, Palak.
Good, good. How are you? I was actually trying to connect with you through my page, but I was not able to. I don't know why.
No worries, no worries. So
Yeah.
how is the quarantine? How is the quarantine treating you? How have you
It's
been?
going well so far. Actually, my family just shifted with me like a month ago, so it's quite a
Okay.
relief for me, to be very honest. That's there.
Yeah, I
So,
mean, so I
how
think
are
these
you
are the
doing?
times
How's
when
it
we can.
treating you?
Very well, very well. We've all been, at home, enjoying this wonderful time wherein we can be with family, doing things which we are not able to do in our, normal routine. So,
I
I
know.
think it's a great time to kind of unwind yourself and do new and
That's
interesting things and things which we
In
always
fact,
wanted
this
to
is
do.
the right time where you can actually spend time with your loved ones, your family, because in Mumbai, like, there's hardly any time you get apart from your work. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
So,
that's
so coming to that the importance of time. So, tell me something. How has your journey been so far in the industry? Like, how
Well,
did you
to be
connect?
very honest, journey has been great. It has been smooth. Touchwood, like Mumbai's treated me really well. The industry has treated me really well. The only thing was like my major reason of shifting to Mumbai was my fashion designing. That hardly any people, like none of my fans know about it.
Okay,
But
okay,
that was
that's interesting.
always planned. But the moment I landed up to Mumbai, I just realized that life in Manila is better. So I just clicked, and it all started from a show that I did when I think I was 20, which was on MTV Splitsvilla 7. That's how it
Yes.
all started for me. And then
Hmm.
since then, the journey has been great. It's been really nice. Yeah.
So, how do you manage your sleep routine? When you're shooting for, say, a series or a television show, how is it? How what are the timings? Because what we are aware of, the timings are very abrupt. So, how
Mhm.
do you cope up with that?
Obviously the timings are a little because when you're shooting, you have like 9 to 9 shift. So you hardly get any time. Like 6 hours of sleep is more than enough for us, to be very honest.
Okay.
Yeah, after
And keep looking fresh and always energetic, even if
you
the
have
timing
to,
is too
because
erratic.
this is all that looks good on screen. So you have to look fresh. You have to be healthy. You have to eat healthy and all that. But during my shoot timing, especially, like we usually have 9 to 9 shifts, when it might just even get extended to 11. Sometimes it goes beyond 12 hours. So it really takes a toll on us. So that is when I hardly get sleep of 6 hours. So this is the time that I'm utilizing completely to have my sleep, because
So,
I'm totally
so this is
an
more
night.
like a hibernation mode on sort
Yeah,
of a
you
feel.
can say that. You can say that,
So,
absolutely.
so which is your favorite movie or maybe movies that that are like your
Well,
favorite?
right now, I think I'm utilizing this quarantine time to watch all the series on Netflix. But yeah, one of my most favorites are, if you watch Money Heist, it's a Spanish
Yeah,
series.
totally.
It's
I think it's
amazing.
amazing. It's
It's
wonderful.
amazing. And like,
Yeah,
I love Tokyo. She is my favorite character of all.
yeah,
Yeah, so
yeah.
Money Heist is something that I'm watching. Apart from that, I really like the film The Secret. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but I
Yeah.
think that is one like the film that is about positivity and law of attraction. So that film is something that I usually watch whenever I'm low or I'm not doing fine. So that's like my motivational film that I.
So, is it that with this entire OTT, I think our consumption of entertainment has moved towards Voot, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or is it still the traditional television that kind of people like to watch a lot more?
Yeah, I think I feel that we always have that audience, one audience who's going to watch Saas Bahu serials. I think, be it my grandparents, we always will have that audience who's going to watch TV. But nowadays, yeah, you can say that web series is really, pumping up. It's going beyond expectations. The way they
Yeah,
shoot it,
yeah,
or it's about basically the cameras that are used is so advanced now. The acting itself, it's so natural. It's nothing that has to do with the daily soap drama. So
yeah,
I think
yeah, yeah.
especially the youngster lot, they are preferring to watch web series now. But yeah, it's a totally different ball game altogether. So yeah, like my last web series that I did, if you ask me, my experience was so different from the daily soaps that I've done. So yeah, it's totally different, yeah, altogether.
So, how was your experience? When you were working at the Riker case, as in that series that you were working on.
That series, I think that was the last project that I did. But altogether, the experience was so good. The series is already there on Voot. You guys can definitely go and watch it. And our whole schedule, like half of the schedule, was shot in Goa. And I
Okay.
was working with one of my own friends, Kunal. Like, it was an amazing experience altogether. Be the character. And before this, I was shooting for an all Balaji web series, which was Dil Hi To Hai. But the team itself was so good. We would work like a family. And as an actor, also, I think
And also, I think Goa as a place is so chilled out. So even after the shoots, you guys were
yeah,
getting good enough
yeah.
space and would be enjoying
So,
the place for sure.
and I think that's very important, to have your own space, to have fun on set as well. At the same time, you're working. At the same time, you got to have that space where you're having a bit of fun as well, be it with the directors, be it with the co-stars. And it's very important to have a good director to direct you well as an actor as well. So yeah, that's
So,
there.
tell me something, Palak. What are your sleeping habits? What are the things that you definitely do before going to bed? Like these are your, 2, 3, 5, whatever.
Well, there are certain things that nobody knows. But okay, so before I go to bed, I really have to. So there's this Calm app which I usually switch to. Like for 15
Okay.
minutes, I meditate. So it's
Okay.
beautiful. Like so initially, I didn't know how to meditate. So they have this 30 days trial where they actually teach you how to meditate. And every night before I sleep for 15 minutes, I just play that meditation. It goes on for good 15, 18 minutes. But yeah, it's quite good. I do that, and I have a habit of writing my diary, which
Oh,
is a small secret.
that's so
So what
sweet.
I did in the whole day, I write it down on a piece of paper, and yeah, all of that. So I usually do that before I sleep.
So diary keeping is a rare thing these days. I mean, in this entire fast-paced life, I think we've all forgotten about that. That's something which is very
Yeah,
sweet.
so I usually write and things that I'm really grateful about, what I did in the whole day, and how my day went by. So it's basically, I don't know, I can probably tell others as well. That's usually when I'm going through a very hard time in life. There is a magic practice of 28 days. It's a 28 days challenge. So
Okay.
you really have to do that religiously for 28 days. There are different things that you need to do, like write it down. You have a magic rock. So that is something that I'm following right now. So especially in this hard time when we're going through a lot of, like the entire world is going through a lot. So
Yeah,
this is what I
absolutely.
suggest for people to do. It's amazing. Like it's life changing for me, to be very honest.
No, it
So
does sounds very interesting and very calming. I'm sure a lot of
yeah,
our listeners,
I'm talking to
viewers
Google
should
it.
actually
Like
try this, yeah, and
yeah,
Google it and know more about it. And
yeah.
what is it like when you wake up in the morning? So what is your morning ritual like? What do you do when you get up?
I get very cranky if I don't get my coffee in hand. So that's the first thing
Okay,
that I want. That's there.
okay,
But I think the most important thing for me to get a good sleep is a good mattress. It is very important because I am somebody who's so finicky about my bed. And I know it's not something very good, but I need my mattress to be super comfy and soft. Like just get into it and you're like all cozy. So I think that is one very most important thing for me to get a good sleep, to wake up nicely, and to not to have that cranky thing in the morning that I didn't get proper sleep and all of that. So yeah, I think, and let me just share my experience since the time I've bought Coyofit mattress. I think
I
so.
was
I just
about to ask you that you one of the, I would like to say, the ambassadors of sleep for us. You recently bought a corporate mattress, and I actually
yes,
wanted to know your first-hand experience. How
yeah.
was it? And I hope you're getting good sleep. And how was it before? When you were having another mattress, and how was it now when you were sleeping on a corporate mattress? What's your
So I
experience?
just shifted to my new house like a month ago, and when you move your space, you get into that new space of your room and all. Obviously, you take time to adjust
Yeah,
and to get
yeah.
sleep. So I think initially it was taking a bit of time for me to adjust because back in my old house, obviously I had like that super comfy soft mattress, and that was my exact requirement. It actually took me a week to find the right mattress for me, and that's when I came across Coyofit mattress on Instagram. I saw the brand, and I just reached out to them. I said I would love to try your mattress and all of that. And the best part was they actually told me that, if you're not comfortable with the mattress and
Yeah,
all of that, get it picked up back.
yeah,
We'll
yeah. So we have a
customize
30 days
it
trial
to.
that we follow.
Yeah, not all the brands do that. So
Yeah,
I think that's
absolutely.
an amazing policy. So,
No,
yeah,
see,
I
the
mean,
whole policy comes from the confidence and the kind of materials we use, and corporate has always been in the forefront when it comes to taking care of our customers' wellness, taking care of the entire motto of the brand is best sleep ever. So our
true.
products are designed in a certain way that they are optimized and they're created in a certain style that they give the perfect sleep for whosoever kind of chooses. And what we always say is that one mattress does not fit all. That's why we have a very wide variety of mattresses. So
Absolutely.
for an old age person, it's different. For someone young like you, it's different. For a couple, it's different. So it's very different. The sleeping habits. If you want a hard mattress or a soft mattress, so
Yeah.
all that kind of is like. So tell me something. With sleep, so uh, do you sleep very quick, as in very easily, or is it difficult sleeping with you? What kind of a sleeper are you? Like,
So,
is it instant sleep, or do you take time to snooze?
I'm basically a night owl when I'm not shooting. Like I like to be up till late night, watch series or something. And to be very honest, I do take time to get that proper peaceful sleep. That's the reason why I usually prefer myself, writing something down and ending my night on a positive note and listening to some meditation. And that's when And like I said, it's very important for me to have a comfortable mattress. But since the time I have got Coir Fit mattress into my life, things have been easier. It's been easy for me to, just get a nice peaceful sleep. So yeah, I think that has actually made my sleep a little more easier than before, because I would struggle with my sleep earlier. I really did. Because like there are thoughts that get into your head. You don't get like a proper position to sleep.
Yeah,
You want
yeah.
I would actually even try to change my positions here and there, but it was not happening. But yeah, lately I think things have been quite comfortable, as I'm not even shooting. I don't even have a hectic schedule, and this amazing mattress in my room. So it's all together.
So
Like I would
that's
say
that's
that
pretty
I end
good.
up into a great sleep. Yeah, it's quite peaceful that way.
So, any tip you would like to give to our viewers here in terms of during this quarantine, this is what they could do during the day, like anything that could keep them engaging, could be any activity, could be anything interesting that you could suggest them
I
since
think
they are around.
I know it's we all are going through a lot of
Yeah.
bad times, I'm sure. But I think this is the time that you can actually utilize with your family members, with your loved ones, and I think all I'm gonna say is just work on yourself. I am working out at home. Though I don't have weights, I've just put up one story also today. I'm working out with water bottles, but I'm trying to do whatever I can to keep myself
Yeah.
fit. I think eat healthy and spend time with your family, because this time is the time that you can actually utilize to do something good. You can probably read books, watch Netflix. There are so many series out there. We can do a lot and work on our own self. So I think I am doing that, and I think everyone else can also do that as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So what I'm gonna do now is, Palak, we're gonna do a quick rapid fire round. I'm gonna ask you a few questions. You
Okay.
cannot budge from them. You have to be honest enough to answer
Is
them.
it like a rapid fire round? I feel I'm sitting in coffee with Karan.
Not like that. So it's you're actually sitting on a corporate mattress right now, and just be very calm and
I am.
answer. Yeah? So,
Yeah.
so are you an early riser or a late sleeper?
Late sleeper.
Okay. Would you rather do sleepwalking or snoring?
None of the above.
So, what was the last thing that you cooked?
What was the last thing?
You cooked that you
I
made.
cooked. Oh my god, I'm such a bad cook, but I think I just had my greedy and made it in the kitchen. So let's not talk about kitchen. Let's not go there.
So, an actor you would love to work with?
Ranveer Singh. He's full of energy.
Okay, great. I think we all love him.
Yeah.
So, now you need to guess this song. Hear me very carefully. You need to guess this song. So, this is the English translation of this song. Okay, so you have to tell me which song is it. It's a Hindi song. My sleep is stolen. Who has stolen? You have.
मेरी नींद गई, मेरा चैन गया.
No.
नींद चुराई मेरी किसने, ओ सनम तूने.
Yes. Bang on.
Right.
Bang on. So I think you're a good singer too, it seems, huh?
Oh my god, I'm such a bathroom. Moving on. Yeah.
If someone called you at 2 a.m., what would you take the call or would you pass?
No, I will take that call, because if it's a 2 a.m. call, then it has to be something important. So I would
Pajamas or jeans?
Pajamas. But not like quarantine, I'm done. I'm going to burn all my pajamas after quarantine for sure.
You'll
I
be
just
so
want to
bored
sleep
and you'll be like, yeah. So, sleeping for 24 hours or no sleeping at all?
Sleeping for 24 hours, I prefer. I love sleeping. So. Yeah.
What would be the first thing that you will do when when this lockdown is lifted?
First thing, I'm just going to go meet a couple of my friends that I really miss, and I'm just going to grab a glass of wine with them and just chill. That's all I need to do. I just need to party hard.
Great,
I need
great.
good food.
So, during this quarantine, are you a lazy panda or are you a fitness freak?
I'm a fitness freak. I think I'm utilizing this time very productively. Yeah. But yeah, it's not like I wake up early. I wake up at my own time, be it 11, 12 o'clock, aram se. and after that, like, I get back to my routine. So all day I'm not lazing around for sure. I like to, do something productive. I try to create some content. I like to make some videos, and all that I keep on doing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's always good to be involved with something, whatever excites us, whatever, in case if
yeah,
we creative, if we like to be involved in creative things, so we should do that. In case, if we like cooking, we should
absolutely.
cook.
Whatever
If we
makes you
like
happy.
whatever makes you happy, absolutely.
Yeah,
And I think
that's the
this is the
key.
time to kind of, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you've honestly answered all the questions and they were pretty
Oh, thank God.
bang on. It was wonderful.
Where is my hamper?
So you're gonna get it after the lockdown. So we're gonna definitely send you a wonderful corporate hamper
Yay!
after the lockdown.
Awesome. Great.
So, any last advice, any last thought that you would like to share with all the
I
viewers
just want to tell
before we
everyone out there that please stay safe, stay indoors, stay home. I know we all are going through a very bad time, but just remember that we all are in this together. This too shall pass. And if you guys are not getting proper sleep, go buy CoiFit mattress. I have had an amazing experience. Even you guys can.
Thank you so much.
It's a must try for sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Absolutely. It's great to have you as one of our customers. I mean, a real testimonial for sure. And I hope you stay indoors, stay safe, and we'll chat with you soon, hopefully. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you
Have a
so
great
much.
day.
Take care. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. So I think that was an amazing session with Palak Korswani. I think we had a lot of fun. I think pretty interesting things we got to know about her life, about how she came into the industry. She eventually, I mean, she wanted to do fashion, but now we see her as an actress. I think it's great. So I think these kind of sessions will always be exciting for you and for us. So we're gonna be doing another live session soon. You can check the information on one of our next posts and stories. Till then, I think stay home, stay indoors, stay safe, and let's connect soon. Take care.